Hello, welcome to Super Billing. In this video, we are going to see how to manage IMEI numbers or serial numbers for your products. Let's get into it. On the left menu, click on Products and select the product for which you have to manage IMEI or serial numbers. Now, I am selecting memory card and click on Manage Serial Numbers. Serial numbers screen will be displayed. Here you can prefix a serial number with SNO or IMEI. So now I am going to prefix it with IMEI and a semicolon, and in the serial number place I am going to provide the IMEI number. And you can provide any suffix if you needed or leave it as blank, and the quantity for this number is 1. Click on Add. Now the serial number has been added. For mobile phones you will have 2 IMEI numbers and a serial number as well. If you need to add another IMEI number which will be linked to this number, you can do it. I'll show you how. On prefix, you can select as IMEI 2, and on serial number, type in the second IMEI number and select the first IMEI number and click on Link. Here a link will be created to this number, and type in the quantity as 1 and click on Add. Now these two IMEI numbers are linked to each other. In linked, if you hover over, you can see 2 IMEI numbers displayed here. Now let's close this window. Now go to Settings. On Invoice Screen Settings, click on the checkbox near to Show Serial Numbers option, and on Invoice Print, click on the checkbox near to Print Serial Number on Invoice and click on Save. Close the settings window, and now let's create a sales invoice. Go to Sales, New Sale. Now I am scanning the IMEI number and the product is displayed. Let's put quantity as 1, and now you can see the serial number. The both serial numbers has been added under the serial number column. Now let's select a customer, and now let's save the invoice by clicking on Save Invoice. Let me zoom a little bit. Now you can see the product, the IMEI and IMEI 2 is displayed. If you have any questions or queries or need support regarding Super Billing, you can contact us anytime. We are ready to help you. Thank you for watching.